My mom would constantly, while I was growing up, say, do something, move, exercise, go down and play, go down and play. So yeah.
Speaking of our beloved mothers, I constantly try and tell my mom, I bought her a set of dumbbells recently, and I said, Mom, you've got to strength train. Your advice to all the mothers out there, especially the mothers, our mothers who are of the older generation, they don't work out. What is Yasmin's advice to all the moms out there?
That every decade, like you know, and I'm sure you're telling your mom, we lose bone density. The only thing that protects us is our muscle. And you need to do some sort of exercise, and especially in today's generation and age where we have sedentary lifestyles where we're not moving. Like our mothers did a lot of work. They used to do housework. They would go to the well to get water. They would milk the cows.
I remember the grinding stone that my granny used to go on 45 minutes.
Chakki.
Yeah.
You know, so our mothers did a lot of work, like physical work. Our mothers don't, because of course the luxuries have come in our generation, and theirs much later. They need to move. My mum is 76, my mother-in-law is 82, and they both do Pilates. They need to find a very, yoga. We are the what's the word?
Pioneers.
Not the birthplace of
Yeah.
Yoga births it in India, right? And yoga is something that all our mothers can do. And if you have the opportunity, you can do Pilates, which is so gentle on your bones. And my mother at 76, my mother-in-law at 82 do Pilates, and they look fabulous. And they feel really good. They're energetic. They're moving around. And also, I don't know if you know Helen Khan.
Mm-hmm.
She started Pilates at the age of 85.
85.
85.
So what is the core component for all the ladies watching in about Pilates? What is the core component, or how do they understand
So why
it?
do you have diets for people, right? Why do you have nutrition plans? To nourish the body. Pilates nourishes your body in terms of physical activity.
Okay. And so between yoga and Pilates, I know this is a loaded question. And a lady came to you. I'm this old lady, and I was like, Yasmin, what exercise should I do? I can only do yoga, or I have time only for Pilates. Only one of them. Which one should I do?
I would tell them, why don't you do both? See which one you love to do and stick to that.
That's sagely advice. Because it's about, if you love it,
You'll
then
make it a
turn up.
lifestyle.
You'll turn up more often, and then you make it a lifestyle.
Because you have to look forward to exercising also. It can't be a burden and a chore. So maybe instead of giving your mom dumbbells, if you take her to a yoga class or get somebody home to do yoga or a little bit of movement or just some TheraBand exercises, she might enjoy that more.
Mom, if you're listening in, I'm calling up the best yoga instructors and go and getting a class for you. So don't grumble. Madam Yasmin
But you
has
have to
said so.
try yoga, Pilates, just some freestyle like calisthenics. You have to try different things to see which one she enjoys.
But most of the old people hit back to us saying, oh, we are too old now. This is not meant for us.